Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a paint kiss. Smart Art Materials has coined this technique, so I just want to give her a shout out. I did one on a live on a Monday night and I absolutely loved it, but I did it on white, so I'm going to try it on black and we're going to try it with the color shift paints. So we'll see how this works. So let me mix up the cups and I'll get through the procedure with you on this because this is a little bit different. I did spray the cups with the WD-40 silicone spray, and that is the black can. Okay, so I think I'll put my black in here first. I am going to use black with silicone just in case the colors go over the black. That way we'll get some cells. I'm better off just taking the top off, because you need quite a bit of paint to do this, because you won't get it all out of the cup. So I have some tiles ready or a small canvas that you can use the leftover out of. Okay, get that one over there. Okay, so the black is ready. So now on these, I have them lined up kind of in the order I want to go. So I'm going to start with yellow, and I'm going to do 2 rounds of color. And then the red flash, that'll give us an orange as well. The blue flash. The purple flash. And the aqua flash. Okay, let's do it again. Yellow, red, blue, purple, and aqua. So that's plenty of paint because we're going to be mixing it with black. So pinch your cup and do the same thing with your black cup. And what you want to do when they're coming together, you want your paints to kiss before they hit the canvas. And just pour. And you'll know when you have enough paint on your canvas if you've been pouring for a while. This is what I would call kind of an advanced technique. Okay, I'm going to stop right there because I know I have plenty, plus I have the black down. So that looks kind of cool already. Let me move that aside and I can use that for something else. Alright, let me give it a quick torch, get the bubbles out. And we're going to start tilting. So I just want to round it out just to blend everything together. And we're going to start heading down. I'm going to go to the opposite corner because I want to stretch that flash paint out. Now you don't have to use a base paint. I did because I wanted it to flow over the black to see if I would get more cells. You want to be careful you don't get too wonky here too, because you have a lot of paint on the canvas. Now it's not going to be that pretty when it's wet because flash has to dry to get the the color shifting done. So I'm going to leave it right there, and I'm going to torch it right there. You could do this with any paints. I did some with metallics on Monday. They came out pretty cool. I think I've got everything up that's going to come up. Looks pretty interesting. Let me give you a peek up close. It's hard to see it with the shifts because they're all so metallic-y that they do not photograph well. But I have some beautiful runoff I can pull for tiles as well. So that was that technique, guys. Give it a try. It's absolutely fun. Like I said, you don't have to put a base down, but remember, if you're not using a base, your paint's going to fold over and you may lose all this wispiness when you're going that way. So you could probably just put it on one side and tilt that way first and then bring it back. That might work for you too. But experiment. It's fun. It's a fun technique. And I think that if you use the right colors, you can get some beautiful designs out of that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below, hit that bell to get the notifications. Click like and share, leave a comment. Check out all the links below. Everything we have available for you is below. We have shopping codes, and our Amazon shop link is below for your supply purchases. I've already done all the hard work for you. I picked it all out at the lowest prices I could find it and put it on my page. So also, we are going to be an affiliate for Jerry's Artorama coming up soon. Everything's been turned in, so watch for that. I'll be doing some reviews on their products, and you'll get the opportunity to purchase that product at a discount, I'm assuming. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.